Please welcome our distinguished presenters, the Honorable Senator Ramon Bong Revilla Jr. and Honorable Congresswoman Lani Mercado Revilla.
Remember Boss Big as the one who jump-started many of the careers of our stars, who have all become the greatest actors of our generation.
Vicor Music, Viva Communications, Viva Films, Viva Entertainment are among the giants that he has built. And from these, the industry came to know a megastar, a pop princess, Bagets Barkada, and hundreds of artists who has been successful in creating a name for themselves on television, music, and movies.
Kasing ningning ng pangalan ni Boss Vic ang mga bituin na nagmula sa Viva, gaya ni Sharon Cuneta, Robin Padilla, Aga Mula, Regine Velasquez, Sara Geronimo, Ann Curtis, Andrew E., Vice Ganda, at Nadine Lustre, at maging ako po. Utang Basenyo. Kaya sa Viva, nagsimula ang launching ng Dugong Buhay.
Yes,
Viva Films has also produced some of the box office movies in history.
It is our pleasure and honor to present this prestigious recognition to a man who will always be known as the one and only Boss Vic. Mga kaibigan at kasama sa industriya ng pelikulang Pilipino, ang parangal na ito ay bigay po natin sa ulirang alagad ng pelikula sa likod ng camera. Lifetime Achievement Awardee,
Boss Vic Del Rosario.
Presenting the trophy for PMPC, our current President Rodel Fernando, with past PMPC presidents, Fernando Guzman, Roldan Castro, Melba Llanera, Julie Bonifacio, and Romel Gonzalez.
Sa lahat. Salamat PMPC. November 11, 1981, nagsimula kami ng Viva. PS I Love You. Kasama na namin ang PMPC. Maraming salamat. After almost 1,000 movies that we have made, magkakasama pa rin tayo. Thank you so much. I'd like to share this to my beloved Mina, who has helped me start Viva in 1981. And of course, my children, Vincent, Valerie, VR, and Veronique. And Joseph, my love. Diba? Maraming salamat, PMPC. Thank you.
We got more awards, we got more stars when the 40th Star Awards for Movies return.
Nay, okay ba po kayo? Okay na okay si nanay. Sige. Sen, okay po kayo? Oh, good. Okay. Okay mo rin ang si Santos sa personal.
from Miss Baby Go of PG Productions.
And for the female shining personality of the night, congratulations to Miss Aiko Melendez.
The female shining personality of the night will receive a